In this video, we will be creating an informative and engaging presentation on the Pacific Ocean using PowerPoint. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to right side. Make 4 duplicates and reduce their size. Select all, then align middle from Align. Go to Merge Shape, select Union, click on right button. Go to Format Shape, click on Picture or Texture field and insert picture source from a file. Select and insert it. Also select background color. Highlight information about the presentation you are making here. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, zoom out the slide. Select this, shift to left side out of the slide. Select text box, shift to up side of the slide and shift this text box to down side of the slide. Take this slide to first position. Go to second slide, go to transition, select Morph and increase duration size. Go to first slide and now click on Slideshow. So, look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.